On the 24th of July 2025, a Tampa police traffic stop escalated from expired tags to criminal arrest. This analysis examines officer authority, resisting arrest law, and mental health response under Fourth Amendment case law.
Ma'am, get back in your car.
You pulled me over way
Get back in the car.
You pulled me over.
Get back in the car.
I was out.
Ma'am?
You did not pull me over.
Get back in the car.
I'm staying right here. I'm staying right here. You trying to be rude.
Get it back in the car.
I'm not being rude. Why are you telling me to
I'm
get back in the car?
telling you to get back in the car.
You did not pull me over.
Yes, I have.
How you pull me over?
Get back in the car.
Tell me how you put me over first. Okay? You're not hurting me.
I'm gonna put you in handcuffs.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Because you're trying to be rude. See, now you're holding my hand so hard.
Ma'am,
Greg,
stop pulling away from me.
Come up here on 43rd. Come up here at Dollar Tree, because now you're trying to put me in handcuffs.
Not today, too.
Because he did not pull me over. You know you didn't pull me over. You know you didn't pull me over. You see me drive. And now you're trying to roughen me up. You're trying to roughen me up because I'm not in the car. You is being nasty for no reason. It don't make, and I'm glad your camera can show. I pulled over here and I actually stopped. My car is stopped. You didn't even pull me over. I turned in this parking lot. Call your sergeant. Call your sergeant. Because now you're trying to make it seem like I'm defiant, and I'm not being defiant. I got out my car for a reason. I got license. I got license and everything. It's in my purse. You locking my hand up with my purse.
Okay.
I know what's wrong. And you did not pull me over the right way. 862.
I do not need 1018.
You did not pull me over the right way. Wait. Let me get my phone, please.
I will get.
Can I grab it? Because you're being rude to me for no reason. You're being so rude. You being too rude.
Well,
and I don't got no weapons or nothing. I already know what's up. My tag is.
You're being back in the car like I told you.
But listen to me.
Stop.
Can you listen to me? Officer RN Lim. You pulled me. You didn't pull me over the right way. No, you didn't. I was waiting. I passed the hill.
Stop.
You doing being nasty.
Stop.
I'm a mental patient. I'm a mental patient. So it don't matter. Let me sit on the ground. I'm a mental patient. You didn't pull me over the right way. You sitting here lying. You didn't pull me over at all. You wait till I came here and I stopped. My car was off and everything. Now you're trying to rush me up for no reason because you know you wrong. Stop what? I'm sitting here talking to you and you ain't trying to hear me. You nasty. You being nasty, dog. I don't even give a you being so nasty and you trying to hurt me. You're trying to hurt me, dog. This is so up.
I'm trying to stop you from resisting.
I'm not resisting at all. Listen, sir, I'm not resisting. You're hurting me. You is hurting me. Man, y'all is nasty. Y'all hurting me.
Relax.
Y'all hurting me.
Stop.
I'm relaxed.
It doesn't sound relaxed to me.
I am. I have anxiety. I'm a mental patient. I have anxiety. You said that you pulled me. I can't even breathe. You can get my purse. I don't have no drugs, no nothing on me.
Nobody said you had drugs on you.
You didn't even pull me over the right way.
I did pull you over.
No, you didn't. You actually had that other car. Man, I can't wait. I'm taking this to court because you sit here lying. I passed.
Ma'am, please stop moving.
Tell my sister, please.
Stop.
Y'all hurting me.
Stop.
They hurting me.
You're going to the ground. Yeah.
I'm going to the ground. Look at this shit, dog. Look at this shit. I am relaxed.
Stop resisting.
I'm hurting. Call her. I need ambulance.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting, sir. Take my purse. I'll take it.
I'm trying. Please stop.
Please, I need the ambulance. I can't breathe. Sir.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. Take the purse. I'm hurting.
Right, I got that.
I'm hurting. Oh my God. I'm hurting.
Stop.
Mom, I'm hurting. You hurting me for no reason. You being rude to me for no reason. I'm not going anywhere. Oh my God, I'm being done so wrong, dog. I'm being done so wrong. I didn't do anything. You being rude to me for no reason. You just choked me up and just threw me out and put me on the floor, all of that. My idea.
You're good. I was going with Kroger's where it was on the map and I was like, oh crap.
I told him to update it to Dollar Tree.
No, I heard Dollar Tree. She's not done, thank you.
That is 5-1.
Lord.
Sir, I need to be rude, sir, but can you turn the AC on, please?
I'll turn on full blast for you. It's as high as it goes.
All my information. My name is Tanisha. Only thing I'm upset is because, sir, You didn't stop me correctly.
Okay, I did stop you correctly. We can stop that right now because I know how to pull cars over. I pulled you over by the book, and
Okay,
that's
I just bought that car from the auction,
Okay.
and that tag is expired. So that's why I was kind of scared. The tag is expired. So I was very scared. And I
okay.
know I'm going to get another ticket for that. So I'm not being rude or anything, but
I wasn't going to give you a ticket for anything.
Huh?
I wasn't going to give you a ticket for anything.
Well, I mean,
I was going to give you a warning for speeding, and you decided to act all.
no, because sir, I was scared, and I know
What's
that
that?
that is wrong.
A little bit.
So that's the only reason.
Hey, just pull your car up. Just pull your car back a bit, and I'll get out of the way.
You're about to have a heart attack.
Okay.
Oh my God, I'm sweating so bad. Can you please?
I just turned up the AC as much as it'll go, ma'am.
I can't believe you treated me like this. I promise, I am legit. I don't do any wrongdoing. I was just scared because I know that tag is expired. That's the only thing.
Okay.
And I was trying to talk to you calmly. I can't believe I was done like this. I've never been.
What's your name?
My name is Tanisha. Not be silent and bright, and that's me.
Okay.
That is me. My driver's license is in my car. I could give you everything.
Yeah, but you decided not to. You
No,
decided to jump out of the car.
I got out the car because I was going to get ready to go in the store, and you told me to get back in the car.
Right.
And I was just frustrated. I was kind of confused because I didn't.
There was no
get pulled
confusion,
over.
ma'am. I told you exactly what to do. That's not confusing at all.
So am I arrested?
Right now, you are detained.
I must I'm going to sign my daughter up for school right now. Oh my goodness. I apologize for everything I did with sir. Oh, sir, like you're being truthful.
I'm just.
I passed the light. I passed the light, and then you couldn't.
Just search her, make sure she doesn't have anything on her, if you don't mind.
Is there anybody I can wipe my
I
face?
gotta go ahead, step out real quick.
Yeah, my shoe. I don't know what my shoe is. My feet
That's
is
fine, I
bleeding.
get it. But go ahead, turn around for me. Widen your stance.
Yeah,
Do you
I
have
don't have
anything on you?
No, I don't have
Okay.
anything on me. I don't know. That's why I don't understand why he's treating me like a criminal. I'm not a bad person. I don't have no drugs on me. Anything. I don't do drugs. You can look at my
Just
purse.
stay how you are. Just stay how you are. Widen your stance.
Yes, I can't believe. Oh my goodness! Y'all treat me like a criminal. I don't have no drugs on me. I don't have no
I
reason
have
to
to do
run.
it anyways. Okay, this is not. I don't.
But you know what? I'm so sick of living in America.
Okay,
This is
go
weird.
stay how you are.
I have no drugs on me, ma'am.
As long as
I
you're.
can lift my whole bra up.
I do not.
Look, no drugs.
Do not do that. Okay.
Because
it has to be done.
ma'am, I
anyways.
understand your job, but I am very frustrated. I'm a woman.
Listen, I don't.
I didn't do
at
shit.
this point, I don't. I gotta do this. I don't care if you're a woman, man. I don't care. I gotta do it anyways.
It don't make no sense. And they threw me on the ground and everything. I want all y'all badge numbers. Can I get my shoe, please? I can't believe they did me like this for no reason.
On camera, I wanted to say what you just said.
Yes, sir, Dr. Lamb. Could you please give, I'm sorry, Officer Lamb. Could you please give him all my belongings except for my phone? Yes,
Okay, I'm
because
gonna take your phone out of here, and he's gonna get all your stuff.
Greg, I'm going to jail for resisting arrest. So I'll call you when I get down there. You gotta use that pink and white card, the demo card.
This is the gentleman you want to have all your stuff. You
Yeah.
take the car, keys, everything.
Yes,
Okay.
he knows. And Greg, go call the phone and stuff.
Okay.
All right. And she just wanted that in the car, not take her with her. The business here, did you take a car to get here?
No, I got somebody to drop me off.
You dropped off. Okay. I was gonna say otherwise, you can talk to the business and just let them know, hey, gotta go get a ride, and you can come back for the car, okay? But she'll be going over to Orient Road Jail. She'll get a chance to give you a call from over there, okay?
Okay.
Pennsylvania versus Mimms held that officers may order occupants in or out of vehicles during traffic stops without additional justification. The officer's commands to return to the vehicle were lawful. The subject's refusal provided legal grounds for arrest. Florida Statute 843.02 requires 4 elements: officer in lawful duty, defendant resisted, defendant knew it was an officer, and no violence used. Physical resistance, like pulling away during handcuffing, satisfies all elements. The subject's conduct meets this standard. Graham versus Connor requires objective reasonableness from the officer's perspective. The force here, empty hand control, without strikes or weapons, was proportional to the active resistance encountered. Officers demonstrated restraint throughout. The subject's mental health claims raise CIT protocol questions. While officers need not halt enforcement, crisis intervention training emphasizes verbal de-escalation. Limited de-escalation attempts represent a missed tactical opportunity. Primary officer. Grade C+. Legally sound but tactically improvable. Commands were lawful, force proportional, but enhanced de-escalation could have prevented physical confrontation. Officer Lamb. Grade B-. Professional post-arrest procedures, appropriate search conduct, and effective communication with the subject. The subject made critical errors. Refusing lawful commands violated Mimms' authority. Physical resistance constituted criminal conduct. She failed to exercise actual rights, remaining silent, requesting a supervisor while asserting non-existent rights to resist. Subject grade D. Poor judgment transformed a traffic citation into criminal charges through entirely preventable choices. Key lessons. Legal authority is not negotiable in the moment. Challenge stops in court, not on the street. Mental health status does not create immunity. Comply first, raise concerns through proper channels. Consequences of non-compliance far exceed the original violation. An expired tag results in a citation. Resisting arrest brings jail time, criminal records, and legal costs. Know your actual rights versus non-existent ones. De-escalation is a two-way street. Both officers and subjects bear responsibility. Compliance followed by legal challenge produces better outcomes than street litigation, which always fails. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Law, for more content.